Time goes by and yet I wonder, are you and me still the same? Do you still love?
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Atoya at Home. What I just told you was some laundry that we gonna get into in a minute, but I am doing a power hour. We gonna get some good music going. We gonna clean this living room. We gonna clean the foyer. We gonna clean the dining room. So if you haven't yet joined the family, y'all don't mind my hair. I need to tighten it and get it colored. Yes, yes, yes. Go ahead and subscribe down below. Put that thumbs up and go ahead and click that bell. Make sure I have the parentheses on the side to make sure that you get all the notifications that are coming through. So I just hope y'all enjoyed this power hour. And yeah, let's get it cracking lacking, y'all.
Made a promise to myself, this time I will keep it. Where there's a will, yeah, there's a way. With every smile, with every tear, I know I will make it. I'm gonna see a brighter day. Oh, 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 a brighter day, a brighter day. Oh, a brighter day. Time goes by and yet I wonder, why do we put each other through hell? Why can't we just get over ourselves? I know I should. You cast your spell and now and under. I know the laughter and the pain. Will I ever love again? I don't know if I can take it anymore. Yeah, so I stay here and hold my heart when you walk out the door. Yeah, made a promise to myself and I repeat it in my head. Set your mind free, set your mind free. No one knows what I've been through, but this is the end of me and you. Set your mind free. Oh, hey, yeah. Oh, oh, right, yeah, yeah. Oh, made a promise to myself, this time I will keep it. Where there's a will, yeah, there's a way. With every smile, with every tear, I know I will make it. I'm gonna see a brighter day, brighter day.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want it. from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help that this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help that this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long, right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. That sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way.
Woman that's so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good. Oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo. Oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just me and your son's alright, girl. I want nobody but you. 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 Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Feel better if I say there's songs for you when you feel down and bitter. Shawty, I'll be there for you. We'll be like Bonnie and Clyde, hell with everybody else, you and me against the world, girl. You be my B, I'll be your J, yeah. We'll be so dangerous in love, girl. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh. Shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, gal, nah, 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 nah. Just me and your songs alright, girl. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
So I have to go get the chickadees, and I'll be back to finish up this stuff.
Don't rush, it's a little crush. Don't need to worry about it. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush, it's a little crush. Just let go. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush, a little crush. Don't worry about it. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush, a little crush. Just let go. Let go. Need to figure it out. Making time, not taking it to clear my doubts. Cleared out all the clutter, I'm no longer seeing clouds. Yeah, you deserve much better. You deserve much better. And I deserve a chance at new love. I don't want nobody else. You know that you're fine as hell. I got ahead of myself. Finishing races will never begin. I don't want nobody else. You know that you're fine as hell. I get ahead of myself. Keep on telling myself, don't rush. Crush. Don't worry about it. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush. It's a little crush. Just let go. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush.
Alright, so I'm going to finish. Ooh, y'all probably like right up in my face, ain't y'all? Ooh, Jesus. Is that right? Okay, that was crazy. Alright, so I'm gonna finish folding the laundry that I have in there. I might go look around and see if there's any more. There's always laundry. There's 5 of us. There's always laundry to do. But after I fold that last little bit that we got left in that little thing, that's it. That's the end of the video. I hope y'all really enjoyed all this information, all this motivation and inspiration is what I'm trying to say. And yeah, y'all know, it's just been crazy. Life's been crazy. Everybody's life been crazy. And so I'm hoping that you're taking time to take care of yourself, taking time to do some self-care. I actually like doing stuff like this. I just don't like being rushed. And so when I feel rushed, I don't want to do it. If that makes sense. When I feel overwhelmed, I don't want to do it. So, but I'm trying to get in the habit of doing things, not on a daily basis, but maybe every 3 to 4 days or so. So, just to help out in the family. We are going to start some more fall decluttering. I need to get to that closet, as y'all saw. I don't know when that's coming. I do need to declutter my 25 cube organizer that's in the front room, and do some Halloweening around inside the house. So yeah, my outfit came. I need to buy Doug's outfit, and we're good. Yeah, we'll buy Doug and Ziggy's outfit. So, but yeah, let's go finish up this the rest of folding this laundry. It's gonna take like 2 seconds, literally. Ziggy, show them your hair. Ziggy, turn the light on. Ziggy, girl, come here and turn the light on. Somebody come take the trash out. You look so cute. Stop right there. Come here. Come here. Stop right there. Turn. I gotta put it on some hot water. This is rubber band method. I can probably show y'all. Come here. Stop. Rubber band right there. So yeah. Son, you've been playing it already.
What happened? Stop.
It's down to her booty.
It's just oh, I just so sorry.
Did y'all notice there was a body there? I didn't notice. She's like mixing into the couch. I was trying to fold the rest of my clothes. Yeah. So yeah, there's no proper ending to this video. So yeah, I hope y'all like the laundry motivation and inspiration that you got today. A little bit of cleaning, a little bit of vacuuming, a little bit of disinfecting. All right. I normally don't show the whole house like that, but yeah, that's what happens in my house. Yeah, y'all saw I started to clean and she just laid right there. Did y'all see that? She laid right there. Why did she just take the clothes in the room? What's wrong with these children? I want y'all to have a good day, for we are the family that loves life and having fun, and give you the motivation and inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly through God's love. And don't forget to put that thumbs up, ring that bell for all the notifications, and don't forget to, most importantly, subscribe to this channel and join our family. Y'all be blessed, and we will see you on the tube. Peace out, y'all. Mwah.